Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful tree painting with alcohol ink, and let us go step by step on how to make this painting. I use this photo paper ultra premium from Staples, and I also use this 91% isopropyl alcohol which I use for blending, and I bought this small squeeze bottle from Amazon and I put that in there. And first of all, I'll make a background with the glacier. It's also a blue color. You can use any type of blue that you want for the background. And on the back side of the photo paper, I just spread out the isopropyl alcohol like this randomly. And I put that blue alcohol ink or glacier, that is the name of the color, and I just blend it with a brush. And make sure to wash the brush in isopropyl alcohol, because the colors will stick onto the brush and you won't be able to take it out. So that is very important that you wash the brush after the painting is done. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, could you please subscribe, because I post videos every day and I want you to be the first one to get notified so you can view all my tutorials. And I really appreciate that. So I'm just blending away with isopropyl alcohol and this ink, and you can see it creates a beautiful texture. And this is a fun part because you don't need to follow anything, just randomly paint away. And I use this blower from Amazon to blend the inks and alcohol. So once this layer is completely dry, then I use another color, slate. That is the name of the color. It is almost like gray. And also use this violet color. I'm sorry, first I'm using this blue violet color, and I diluted with isopropyl alcohol so I can reduce the vibrancy of the purple color. And that also you apply randomly with the brush. We are trying to make mountains, abstract mountains. And then I will use another color, slate. This is almost like black but dark gray. So if you mix the gray and the purple, it gives a nice abstract color combination. use this Cali art markers to draw the tree. And the reason I use that is because these are alcohol based markers, so this will easily blend with isopropyl alcohol, and that's why I'm using that. And now let's add another color, teal, to this to make these leaves for the tree. I used the color called mermaid, and mermaid and teal are one and the same actually. So you can use any color that you have on hand. And if you don't like this teal or mermaid, you can use any other colors for the tree, like orange, red, or anything that you like.